Venelea Eurorack DAY4. I did some changes. I took out the crucible and put the Ring S7 AJ7. These four I could work at. Moog, EFAM, Mother 32, MS scale, Pico MS scale that changes the voltage, Pico voice, black modulator, sample low, dual GLFO. Finalizer EQ, reverb, stereo, harmonig, along with a seg, crucible, demodulate, insanity, whatever's going in and out of this. Eurorack 3. Back to ground control. If anyone ever notices that their ground control doesn't turn on the lathes on the inside, it's not pressed in, you know how it slips off. You gotta be delicate with it. Also, it's cold. Everything's all working, all the buttons. So ground control, black noir, the bass line along with the other drum instruments. Can't get the bass line too loud. I just thought of Erica drum mixer line. That's connected each one individually and it has a compressor, kind of like the Golden Master, multiple PCF, amps, XPO, dual, Miophone, Flex, Morphogy, and the black. And the fourth, Nerd Set. RR. I put the original stick in that comes with Lubut V2, Bitbox Micro. This is sampling the Oct, IO47, two Instruo 4s. Now, that's what does the magic. Connected two or even one Instruo 4 to the IO47. to percussion. Running order, 2 drums, perfect. Erica bassline, and the classic VCO2, and the Godspeed.